What drew me to Hestan? There are a couple reasons. Number one, I think it's the quality of the equipment itself. The design group here, the engineers, the manufacturing, it's just extraordinary. The quality of workmanship, the design, the beauty of it, the durability. And number two, which is as important as number one, is it's made in America. I think any chef really expects a lot of durability of the equipment. We want to make sure that it's not going to break down in the middle of service, for example. Hestan being so close, being here in America, really offers us a great sense of confidence and comfort. I think that Hestan, really offers a wide range of products, and I think that's what gives us chefs the opportunity to design our kitchens in specific ways for specific uses. And at the French Laundry, our philosophy is basic cooking technology and technique. So we're not looking for a lot of bells and whistles. We're looking for real durable equipment. 6-burner range, graduated heat flat top, as well as a 12-inch heated plaque with 2 conventional ovens underneath. So something that we're very comfortable with, something we're very confident with, the quality that we're going to receive, and something we're very excited about to be able to use. I have to say that the engineers here at Hestan have done an extraordinary job in designing equipment that is very functional, but also quite beautiful.